Why do some scientists believe that the Large Hadron Collider could create a black hole and even destroy the Earth? The Large Hadron Collider at the European Organization for Nuclear Research is the largest particle accelerator in the world. It can accelerate particles to nearly the speed of light and make them collide, thereby carefully studying the internal structure of particles. Some scientists are concerned that gathering enormous energy in such a tiny space might produce quantum black holes. This kind of microscopic black hole was first proposed by Hawking, but it was quickly refuted. According to calculations, the energy of proton collisions in the collider is trillions of times lower than the energy required to form a quantum black hole. If a quantum black hole were to appear near Geneva, it would swallow all of Europe within seconds, and then grow into a standard black hole. One theory holds that quantum black holes cannot absorb anything. Instead, they would immediately evaporate and release intense Hawking radiation. In addition, one of the experimental goals of the Large Hadron Collider is to create a miniature version of the Big Bang. Theory suggests that within 10 microseconds after the Big Bang, the universe was filled with quarks, gluons, and other particles at temperatures of trillions of degrees. In 2010, this experiment was successfully carried out. By colliding heavy ions at high speed, scientists produced a fireball with a temperature 100,000 times hotter than the core of the sun, recreating the instant conditions of the universe after the Big Bang. However, some people believe that if the experiment were to go wrong, it could trigger an explosion more powerful than all nuclear weapons combined. Even more frightening, with the help of the Large Hadron Collider, scientists discovered the so-called God particle, the Higgs field, which is a quantum field that exists everywhere in the universe. It produces a microscopic particle known as the Higgs boson. Researchers found that in addition to giving some fundamental particles mass, the Higgs field is closely related to the energy state of the vacuum of the universe. The vacuum in its lowest energy state is called the true vacuum. If we inject enough energy into the vacuum, it could overcome the energy barrier and fall into the true vacuum. This process would release a large amount of energy and further trigger a chain reaction of vacuum decay in the surrounding space. Vacuum decay would spread in all directions at the speed of light, and all matter would be crushed into subatomic particles. High-energy proton collisions might cause the Higgs field to contract violently, leading the vacuum to fall into a lower energy state and triggering a chain reaction throughout the universe. However, scientists point out that the probability of vacuum decay occurring is almost zero. The panic that experiments at the Large Hadron Collider could cause the end of the world is believed to be nothing more than alarmist speculation. Experts have already demonstrated that it poses no threat to humanity. In the future, the European Large Hadron Collider will continue to be upgraded and improved, further verifying the proposed physical theories.